Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create 3D title animation in After Effects. Before we start, subscribe my channel for informative content. Let's dive in. First, import our assets. Now create a new composition, 1920 by 1080. Now drag the building, one on it, adjust the position of buildings. Create another comp and name it to building 2. Now drag the building 2 on it. Open building 2 comp and animate the last 4 building positions. Just follow the steps. Select all keyframe and easy ease them. Now adjust the layer for random animation. Create text edit comp and set it to 3D renderer. Also set it to cinema, 4D. Write some text, whatever you want. Set the text to center align. Duplicate the text layer. Set the second layer to 3D. Now set the extrusion to 40. Apply gradient ramp effect on first text layer. Set the color according to your choice. In my case, I am select blue and purple color. Now create another comp, 3840 by 2021, and this is final comp. Drag the island JPG on its scale a little bit. Now drag building 1 comp on top. So drag the building 2 and adjust the scale. Drag the CPNG from assets. Now scale it and set it something like that. Now duplicate the building 1 comp for creating nice reflection in water. Now set the opacity to 30, I think good for me. Drag the text edit comp below, building 1. Set it, something like that. Now create a new shape above text edit. The text edit to alpha, inverted matte shape layer. Animate the text by position. Now, add clouds. Adjust the scale and position. The blending mode to screen. Duplicate the clouds and flip horizontal. Now add copter clip and animate by position just like that. So it's looking good. Now you can add more element according to your choice. Drag air balloon PNG. Adjust the scale. Now set it to, I think, on right side open position and animate the position of air balloon. Select the keyframe and easy ease them. Now add flying birds, clip and adjust the position. Now add boat PNG and set the position just like that. Now animate the position. Select the keyframe and easy ease them. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.